every animal, big or small, like that. With your heart, you show the way, caring for them every day. Animal lover.